boys, girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm rocking on Robbie Williams' song called All My Life. So Robbie, he's back, we'll love that. And he has everything that he had like 20 years ago, back in the days where he really lift the roofs of every arena. So this is Robbie's All My Life. Let's go into the song. And as you can see, the setup here is capo on second. And the challenge in this song is all the chords. All right, so I believe we have like 11 chords or so, so bear with me. We're gonna go through the chords, and once you have them and feel comfortable with them, and then it's just pretty much straightforward, easy to handle. Yeah, let's do the chords. C first, that's how we start. So it goes third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. We also have the CB, that's a transition chord. So what you do here from this grip, you just go over to this, okay? You keep that first fret B string down there, but you switch to this second A as the bass notes. Then open D, open G, first B, and open E. We have A minor next. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then you go to the G6 at 11, a long name for a pretty simple chord. Again, you keep that first fret B string so far throughout this chords. So what you do here is to play third E, second A, open D, open G, and now again, first B, and open E. Then we go into the F, which is a bar chord. So place the index finger on the first fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Then we have G. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Then speaking of E, that's the next chord. That goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have a chord, this D sus4 slash F sharp, and that goes with this F sharp note in the bass, second fret E string, then open A, open D, second G, third B, and third E. You can have that third E. If you think it's too much to handle, you can actually go with this open, then it will be the D sus2 slash F sharp, but I go with this third as well here. And yeah, next chord will be D, and that goes open D, second G, third B, second E, and finally we have the D minor. And that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. All right, there we have all the chords, 10, 11 chords or so. Now let's go into the strumming, and if you grab the first chord C, one string around will be 4 downs. So it's as simple as that. Okay. So notice I play on the higher strings on the third down. So I play on the bass strings, then the third down, and then back to bass in the fourth. That gives us a certain rhythm that goes like this. All right. Let's go into the first verse. So we have a long chord progression here for the first verse. The first half will be to play C, 1, C, B, 1, A minor, 1, G6, 1, F, 1, C, 1, and G, 2. Okay, that is the first half. Let's do that together first. So C, C, B, minor, G, F, C, and G, 2. The second half is to play C, G, A minor, back to G, F, G, and C2. That is the first verse. You play this once, and then you go into the pre-chorus at 26 seconds in. So go ahead. That's where in the lyrics. We're gonna continue with C2. then E2, A minor 1, G6 1, D sus F sharp 2, F4, 2, 3, 4, D2, and G2. We play this only once, and then we reach the chorus. Okay, so the chorus will start with F4 and then C4. You play for 2 times. So F4, C4, F4, C4. Then you're gonna play F4, A minor 1, G1, D2, and F4 for only once, and that's it. So let's do that together. F4, C4, repeat, and F4, A minor, G, D2, and F4. And that's the end of the chorus and the first round. All right, guys, so second round, it's just repetition, all right? Nothing changes here from the first round when it comes to verse, even pre-chorus and chorus. After that second chorus comes the bridge at 2 minutes and 34 seconds in. So what you're gonna do here is play one down of the following chords: C, CB, A minor, and G6. You recognize that order? That is from the verse, okay? But you just play one down per chord, as if you would play one string around, but just first down. So the pauses in between will be the value of that, okay? And then you're gonna continue with F2, and then D minor 2. You play that for 3 rounds: F2, D minor 2, F2, D minor 2, F2, D minor 2, and then F2 and G4. And that will be the end of the bridge. Okay, I don't think we have to go through that, but we're gonna jump into the next part, which will be the third chorus. Okay, so the third chorus, again, it's just repetition and played in the same way as the previous choruses. And after that, you're gonna end with one down on that beautiful C. And that's it, guys. Robbie Williams, All My Life. Okay, if you're a fan of him, like I know many are out there, I'm one of them, then this is a no-brainer. Great song, a lot of chords, of course, but with this capo on second, it will have, yeah, it will be an easy life for you. So easy chords, easy strumming pattern, that's it. So hope you enjoyed it. I work a lot for you guys, so if you can give me something back, a like, comments, subscribe, all that good stuff, I appreciate that. Play tuned.